In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tooltip to an image in Wix. Whether you're looking to provide additional information or simply wish to enhance interactivity on your website, adding tooltips can be an effective solution. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step, making it as clear and straightforward as possible. To start, you're going to need to be in the Wix editor, which is where the magic happens. If you're new to Wix, the editor is the backbone of your website creation activities, where every customization begins. Now, the first thing we'll do is add an image button to your page. An image button in Wix not only allows you to showcase images, but also gives you the flexibility to interact and engage more with visitors by linking and adding tooltips. Once you've added your desired image button, you need to find the settings option for that button. Click on it, and this will open up a whole lot of customization options for you. The settings area in Wix is where you can tweak aspects of your components, from appearance to functionality. Now here's where we get to add the actual tooltip. As you scroll through the settings menu, you will find a field labeled Tooltip Text. This is where we'll place the text that will pop up when visitors hover over your image. It's an effective way to communicate essential messages or fun facts without cluttering your page with text. Consider what you want your tooltip to say. Keep it concise yet informative. For instance, if your image is a product photo, you might want to add a short message such as, "Click to learn more about this product," or "New arrival." Tooltips are great for these snippets of information because they are visible upon interaction, thus not overwhelming your page visitors right away. With your well-considered tooltip text entered, you are good to go. Tooltips are simple to add, yet make a significant difference in user engagement. They provide a quick and easy way to convey extra information to your site visitors, enhancing user experience while keeping your page visually clean. Remember, every tooltip you add should serve a meaningful purpose. Try to observe what kind of tooltips other websites utilize and ensure that yours are helpful and relevant to your audience. This practice will go a long way in making your website more interactive and user-friendly. And that's it. Implement these steps, and you'll have tooltips popping up on your images in no time, enhancing both the style and functionality of your Wix website.